Hi guys, in this video, I'm going to teach you how to add discount on Xero Invoice. We'll start on the Xero homepage for your organization. Make sure you're in the right company so any changes you make are applied where you expect. From here, look along the top navigation bar and choose Sales. This is the hub for everything you send to customers, quotes, invoices, and activity related to receivables. Next, open the Invoices section. You'll see a list of invoices with their statuses, due dates, and amounts. This list view is helpful for finding the exact invoice that you want to update. Locate the invoice that you'd like to discount and open it. I'm using a sample invoice, but the process is identical for any real invoice you're working on. On the invoice, you'll see the customer's name at the top. If you'd like to quickly confirm customer details or terms before making changes, you can click the contact name to review their profile. That's optional, but it's useful for sanity checks like confirming currency or default tax settings. When you're ready, continue on the invoice. Scroll to the line items table. Here's the key area. Look for the column labeled Disc or Discount next to the unit price and quantity. Click into the discount field on the line you want to adjust. In Xero, this is a percentage-based discount, so you simply enter the number for the percentage you want, such as 10 for 10%. You don't need to type the percent symbol. The system will automatically recalculate the line amount, tax, and the invoice total as soon as you enter the value. Take a second to review the results, check that the discounted line amount looks right, that the subtotal and tax have updated, and that the final total reflects the change. If your invoice includes multiple line items, remember that discounts are applied per line, so you'd repeat the same action on any other lines that should be discounted. Once the discount looks correct, finalize the change by using the Approve button at the top right of the invoice. Approving confirms the invoice figures and moves it into the approved state, ready for your usual sending or follow-up process. This helps ensure your customer receives the accurate, discounted amount you intend to charge. And that's it. You navigated to Sales, opened your invoice, adjusted the discount in the line items disc field, verified the totals, and approved the invoice. With these steps, you can confidently add discounts to your invoices in Xero without any confusion. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.